Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing from Echo Park. This one is called, is it Secret Santa? Or Santa Mystery Box? I think it's just Santa Mystery Box from Echo Park. They were having it for $35 plus free shipping. Or shipping, I'm not sure. I forgot what it was, the promo, but Echo Park paper. And this is Santa's Mystery, and just a bunch of random collections they put together. This one's not one of my favorites. I think my favorite has to be the fall one and the Christmas one. This one is okay. So we have these puffy stickers. This one is from Good to Be Home collection. These I might use. But we got some of those. And we got chipboard accents. These are, I'm not a big fan of the chipboard, but we did get one of these. Again, Good to Be Home collection. Yeah, they're a little hard to get out, but from Echo Park still. So we got those. That's from one collection. And then we got this one is Here Comes the Sun collection. This comes with all these papers and it comes with that. I'm going to open them in a minute so I can show you guys. And then this is the collection that goes with the stickers and the chipboard, the Good to Be Home collection. 12 by 12 double-side paper and some stickers. So I'll open that. Two more collections. These are pretty okay, but as I mentioned, they weren't one of my favorite but it is what it is. My favorite things. And then last but not least, this one's okay too. This one is I Love Crafting. So I'm gonna open one so I can show you the paper. And then I can put the paper away. So this one is the I Love Crafting. So we have this one. I don't know if you guys can quite. Okay. It has these little squares. You can cut them out. This is my happy place. I'm so crafty. Just different sentiment. And then the back is just some pink. Then we have this one. Different crafting supplies. And in the back we have this. I think I would use this side. Another one we have, we can cut apart, take a snap, mess with my fabric, and I'll rip out your seams. Make pretty things, and on the back it has just plain pattern. This has some writing, crafting, scrapbooking, sewing, happy day, DIY. And oh, I like this one. And it has different swashes. Some floral. And then the sewing machine. And then we have some black and white too. And then we have the stars. Then we have more cut aparts. And then we have just some polka dots. More sayings. And then just plain and just more paper. Some scissors, some paintbrush, glasses. And then just plain. And then it comes with the stickers. So this one is the crafting one. And then another one is this. This is my favorite things. Okay, so ooh, we have some hats. This is pretty. I like the quality of the paper of this one. You can tell it's a good. Some cut aparts. This is more like vintage look to it. This one's pretty. Some florals, and then just plain. Some windows we have, and then just some stripes. And then we have some cut aparts. You are simply and utterly the best. When you change the view from where you stood, the things you view will change for good. And some tea time. Oh, this one's pretty. I like this one. This one's butterflies. This one's very pretty. And then just that. I'm not a big floral person. I would use probably this side. This one's cute. Trucks, the car, the floral, umbrella. See how they're like very, the color's very not bright. I like that. And then we have some a bicycle one. And then looks like tea. Some more cut aparts. And then books. Oh, I like the book one. With the tea. More windows. Oh, this one says telephone. I had it. And then stripes. And then this one comes with the stickers. It comes with the stickers. So we have that collection. And then this one is the Good to Be Home collection. This one is some florals. The quality of the paper is it's cardstock, but the other one is like sturdier, heavier. It's just, I don't know. And then we have some cut aparts. May your walls know joy. May every room hold laughter and every window open great possibilities. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. Love grows in this home, but first, family. Stay a while. And then more sayings. That's the side. These big cut aparts. I wonder if these are like you would put them in one of those like sleeves. I'm not sure. Some stripes. And then we have some more florals. And then this is a pretty yellow. More cut aparts. Family is not an important thing. Family is not an important thing. It's everything. Home is where the heart is. And then we have more houses. Cooking up something good. And then we have a mixer. And then we have just some stripes. Then we have cooking. I think this one's like cooking. I would use this side. More little cut aparts. Having somewhere to go is home. Having someone to love is family. Having both is a blessing. Just plain. And then we got this one. That. More florals. And then it comes with this. And then the last one. This one's summer. Yay, here comes the sun. And it comes with some stickers. Some stars. And then some stripes. Cars. And then some cut aparts. Some pinwheels. Clouds, like Toy Story. Oh, look at this one. This is the sun. More cut aparts. This is a pretty one. Florals. Like water. Reminds me of water. And then polka dots. Strawberries. I would probably use the back. Let me see what the back is. Let's see. Oh, yeah, cut aparts. This orange. And then like a little bus. Is that a bus? More waves. It reminds me of waves. Cute. These are so cute. Sprinkles. And then some cut aparts. Clouds. And some oh, this is a pretty one. Florals. So that one is Here Comes the Sun. So those are what came in my mystery Santa box that they were promoting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, hit that notification, and I will certainly see you guys in the next one. Bye.